Hey everybody, my name is Nicholas Townsend Smith, and I'm the author of the popular book, The Giants and the Smalls, The Adventure of Remy and Rit. And today I want to introduce to you my newest work, The Tortoise's Hair. Among tortoises, there is a legend that a great change is coming and that they need to prepare. The change would bring a new world to replace the old. One day, a tortoise would be born without any hair, and this tortoise would have the special task of ushering in the changes and helping others prepare. So Frankie, the main character, meets a wise tortoise who challenges her to choose between fitting in with the other tortoises or staying true to herself on her journey. Frankie learns to love herself for who she is and to forgive others for their differences. In the end, she chooses to be herself, and this simple decision leads to a change in her world. Their world is transformed into a place of beauty and happiness, filled with flowers, trees, and grass. And as all tortoises lose their hair, becoming soft-hearted, loving creatures with simple hard shells. Frankie's journey becomes legendary, and her story is shared throughout the land. With the help and support of Mandelbrot Productions, I'm seeking $10,000 in funding for illustration, editing, and marketing. And the perks that I'm offering to my backers are meant to show my gratitude. So I embrace the transparency and acknowledge the potential risks and obstacles that might arise during this publishing process. However, I have a well-developed plan in place and am fully prepared to overcome any challenges. This book has the potential to inspire and promote self-love, acceptance, and kindness in the world. Readers will be able to connect with the emotions and messages at the heart of the story through the illustrations in this book. You might not be able to contribute, but you can still help by promoting the campaign on social media, giving constructive feedback, and engaging influencers, and participating in the community. Together, let's make this adventure a success. Join me in bringing the tortoise's hair to life and making a positive impact in the world. Thank you for your time and consideration.